Yeah, starting the class, please. So, morning session, I have discussed some questions. Intercept form of a line, I was discussing, and intercept form of a line, I have discussed how intercept form of a line is coming. Y intercept, X intercept, all content I have discussed. I will going for the next part. I'm solving some questions. Please kindly check that part out. The question is, get ready for it, please. Let's see who and all are joining. Good evening, sir. Good. That was not 12th, that was seated. I'm waiting for students to join. Carry on. Inform your complaint. Say, what complaint you are having. If you have joined, students are joining, please kindly say fast. I'm going to start the session, please. I'm waiting. Once you are joining, just say rest is not possible for me. No, not possible. Come on, I'm starting the questions, please. Now, please pay attention here. Find the equation of a line. I have started the session and the students are missing. Yes, y is equal to mx plus c equation. Yes, Payoja. Vanakkam. Payoja is telling Vanakkam. Nice, Payoja. Now look at Payoja. Last class intercept form का equation दिया था. What was the meaning of intercept form? The meaning of intercept form was कि when this was there, this intercept is there, this distance will come as a comma 0 and this distance will come 0 comma b. Then what is the equation? The equation of the line was exactly x by a plus y by b equal to 1. This is exactly intercept form of a line. That was the example. Yes, Gagan, good evening, beta. So this was the intercept form of a line. Just 1 minute. Huh? 1 minute. Okay. Yes, I'm back. Yes. So now look here. What we are going to do here is, this is the intercept form of a line. Now for solving the intercept form of a line, what and all work we have to do. So now first question I'm going to solve. Find the equation of a line. Find the equation of a line. Find the equation of a line for which tan theta equal to 1 by 2. So tan theta means angle given as, so it is coming as 1 by 2, where theta is inclination, where theta is inclination. What is theta? Theta is coming as inclination of the line, inclination of the line. Now you need to understand x-intercept and y-intercept we have to check. When x-intercept equal to 4, first part when we are solving, when x-intercept equal to 4, second part is when y-intercept, when y-intercept is, when y-intercept is, what is y-intercept here? When y-intercept is minus 3 by 2. When y-intercept is minus 3 by 2. So these are exactly the question. Can you start solving the question, please? So now please pay attention here. Find the equation of a line for which tan theta is equal to 1 by 2 given. Okay. So tan theta is given as what? 1 by 2. So angle value is given as 1 by 2. So we know one thing. So the line is passing where from first part you check x intercept. When x intercept it is written that the moment x intercept it is giving means the line is exactly passing. So the line is passing where? The line is passing x axis. Okay. So now one by one we will do. Look here. One by one we are going to do. Just check this question out nicely. So what work we are going to do? Find the equation of a line tan theta. We know first work is tan theta is equal to 1 by 2, and this is nothing but slope. Understood? Tan theta is equal to 1 by 2. Divya, good evening. Beta Siddharth, good evening. So now look here. Tan theta is equal to 1 by 2, and 1 by 2 is coming as slope. Got it? So 1 by 1, try and understand this part. Find the equation of a line when tan theta is equal to 1 by 2. So very easily, they have, how Smriti, evening beta. So work is there now. So sometimes at the time of teaching continuously means I am not seeing the questions, seeing the comments. Huh? So now look here. So theta inclination of the line is there. So tan theta is coming. So tan theta is coming as m is equal to 1 by 2. So tan theta is coming as what beta? 1 by 2, and that is the slope. Now beta, what they are telling? 1 by 2. So x intercept is 4. X intercept means the line is intercepting x axis. The line is intercepting x axis. The moment the line is intercepting x axis, what is exactly coming beta? The line is intersecting x axis means it is coming as 4 comma 0. So 100% slope given. Slope is exactly given as 1 by 2. Got it? X intercept is coming as 4 comma 0. Just roughly I am solving. Roughly I am doing that. X intercept is coming 4 comma 0. Slope is given. Then what is the equation of the line? We know equation of the line is y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to m. So now what is the point we got? We got point 4 comma 0 as x1 and y1, because actually what we need here is we need only one point and then we need slope. So slope already given 1 by 2, point given 4 comma 0. So now we are going to start y minus 0 by x minus 4 is equal to 1 by 2. So here what it will come? 2y is equal to x minus 4. So x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. This will become the equation of the line. This will become what? This will become the equation of the line. So x minus 2y minus 4 equal to 0 will become the equation of the line. That was the first question they have asked. What about the second question, beta? The second part of the question, they are telling y-intercept is minus 3 by 2. The line is intercepting y-axis. Slope value remains the same. Slope value remains the same. I hope everybody might have understood what I have done here. दरवाजा बंद की थी. Got it? So this part we have done. We'll go for the next one, please. So let's check the next part out. So now same slope is there. This time it is y-intercept. So y-intercept means the line is exactly touching which axis beta? The line is touching y-axis. So y-axis the line is touching means y-intercept part is there. Minus 3 by 2. So x part will become 0. Line intercept minus 3 by 2 means we will draw like this. Slope angle is coming as m is coming as 1 by 2 given. Y-intercept point is so 0 comma minus 3 by 2. So this is x1 and this is y1. Again equation of line is y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to slope. So what is y minus y1? I hope everybody understood. Ma'am, right, heck, yeah, wrong. I didn't check. It is written in that part. How I am going to see slash and all that things? I cannot go there and check. So here y minus y1. So y1 is minus 3 by 2, x minus 0 equal to 1 by 2. So it is coming y plus 3 by 2 by x equal to 1 by 2. So cross multiply, it will become 2y plus 3 by 2 into 2 is equal to x. Understood? So once you have done till here, this and this will get cancelled. 2y plus 3 is equal to x. So x minus 2y minus 3 equal to 0. This is the second equation of a line. Children, can you tell me, did you understood this one? Head bend करके जाइए. I hope everybody understood. Siddharth, everyone understood this one? Is this tough or easy? Beta, only one thing we had to do. Lovely, what happened? Smriti, what happened? Yes, you can say the answer, then I'll be able to. So directly you say the answer, I'll understand you have solved it. So now look here. This is exactly the work we have done. Y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to m. And then y1 and x1 value you are going to substitute, and then you can get it out. Very easy. Yes, everybody solved it. Come on, say. Nothing big we have done. We have just used the logic. Siddharth understood. Payoja understood. No response coming from anywhere. Very good. So I'm going to solve NCRT question. Yes, we are going to solve one NCRT question. Let's solve that NCRT question. Payoja done? Super. Check are you live or not? Because if you are not live means the comments are coming late. Now look at. Yes. We'll go for the next one. Nishika done? उस कलर को चेंज करो. So this is second equation. Come on. We'll solve next question. Come on, go for it. Question is the perpendicular from the origin. The perpendicular from the origin. Kishore, are you there in the group? The perpendicular. The perpendicular from the origin. The perpendicular from the origin means we are going to, yes, okay, Kishore. The perpendicular from the origin to a line. To a line meets it at a point okay, minus 2 comma 9. Done. Find the equation of the line. Find equation of the line. That's the most important question. Okay, Kishore is there, Payoja is there, other people names I am not seeing. Only two people name. Smriti and Lovely is there, and Divya is there. Divya name was there. Gagan. Did I send link to Gagan? Hello. Okay, fine. Now listen here. So the perpendicular from the origin. So first though we are going to draw the origin. So this part will become the origin. Now perpendicular from the origin to a line meets it at a point. So one line is there and it is meeting at a point. X value is -2, y value can be 9. So the perpendicular drawn is exactly going to meet that point. So the point can be taken like this. We can draw the line and here the point is exactly, this is the point, -2 comma 9 is the point. So at this point -2 comma line, this perpendicular from the origin is meeting the line. So we can draw the line like this. Okay, this is perpendicular. Super. After this, what they're telling, the line meets it at a point. Just find the equation of the line. So we have one big work. See, this point is given on the line. This line is L. Now this point is given on a line. Let's take this point as P. First, we will find the slope of this line, OP. We'll take it as O. So slope of OP. Why we are taking slope of OP? Answer miss. Okay, very good. But we need to solve it. So first work what we are going to do here is we will do one small work, and that small work is we will first find slope of this line and then we will find slope of this line. Since both the lines are perpendicular to each other, the product of them will be equal to -1. With the help of them, we will get the slope of this line. That is the only concept I am going to use. So first work, because this is CBSE question, I cannot write shortcut, I have to solve it. So first I am writing the equation of this line. What is the slope of this line? This point is considered as what? X1 and Y1, and this point is considered as X2 and Y2. My major concept here is I want the slope of OP. What I am wanting? Slope of OP. So when I am solving slope of OP, we will take it as M1. Our formula for finding the slope is Y2 minus Y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So once we have written like that, so m1 slope is equal to 9 minus 0, 9, and then minus 2 by 0 is -2. So m1 slope is coming as -1 by 2. Since OP is perpendicular to, we will write this line as AB is perpendicular to AB. Therefore, M1 into M2 is equal to -1. M2 is slope of AB. M2 is slope of AB. I'm writing the every single step I'm writing here. M2 is what? Slope of AB. So once we are writing M2 as slope of AB, so M2 part is slope of AB. So M2 is equal to M1 value is -9. M1 value is -9 by 2 into M2 is equal to -1. This and this cancel. M2 is equal to 2 by 9. What is M2? M2 is coming as 2 by 9. If you have solved till here, now we have slope of line AB. Now M2 is the slope of line AB. Slope of line AB. Now we got slope of line AB also, and we got one point on line. So it is enough for us to draw the equation. Understood? Why I told you, I told always one thing to all of you, that whenever you will be solving question, at least you need one point and slope. One point and slope means very well we can use the formula. Very well, what formula we can use? Y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to m. So very well we will use the formula. Nishika understood this one? Okay. So now look here. So very well we can use the formula. Now we are going to use this formula. Y minus y1 by x minus x1. What is the point present on line AB? P point. What is the point present on line AB? P point. So since P is present on AB, so P value is coming as what? -2 comma 9. We will take it as x1 and y1. So what is the equation of the line? Y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to slope m2. So y minus, what is y1? 9 by x minus of minus 2 is equal to 2 by 9. Solve it. It will become 9y minus 89, 9 9 is 81 is equal to 2x plus 2. So here it is coming 9y minus 81 equal to 2x plus 4. So 100% shift this everything this side. So it is coming as 2x minus 9y plus 85 equal to 0. 2x minus 9y plus 85 equal to 0. Yes. Yes, 2x minus 9y plus 85 is equal to 0. That's the answer. But I have solved everything, all single step and detailing I have done. I did not left a single step here. Please kindly remember this one. When you are solving straight line miss, please be very specific to what and all you are doing. The perpendicular line slope I have used because it is passing through the origin. 2 points I got. One origin point itself I got. Another point I got as minus 2 comma 9. Once I have got this 2, so this will give me slope m1. Your name is lovely. मैं नाम लिख दूँ मेरा नाम लिख दूँ. Okay, I hope you might have understood. I hope you might have understood this one. Done? ओ ओ तो आप हैं महाराज, इसीलिए क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो रहा है आज. Now I'll go for the next question. So all the NCRT questions back to back we are solving so that we can come out from the straight line, because straight line concepts are very important, and it is exactly taking it to some of the parts, some of the, I'm not leaving a single questions of straight line. We are just doing the straight line, all that concepts. Yes, understood na Payaja? Yes, can't we take m1? M1 किस लिए लेगी पहले ही बता. Payaja, m1 we have taken, and m1 is perpendicular. See, m1 is slope of OP and m2 is the slope of line. Because the most important, no, I'm not like that. So the most important here is Payaja, that is line. The line part what you are taking na Payaja, that line slope you have to find. For that only I did like that beta. समझी, वो जो स्लोप है ना पायोजा, लाइन एल लाइन का स्लोप लेना जरूरी है. उसका स्लोप फाइंड किया मैंने, उसका स्लोप फाइंड करेगी और एक पॉइंट उसमें दिया हुआ है, तो जस्ट इक्वेशन में डाल के आराम से निकाल लेगी. ठीक है. Now look here, I'm giving another question. Please get ready for the next question. Most of the NCRT questions I'm solving, I'm not leaving one question also. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line passing through the point. Thank you, Manchu. Passing through the point 0, 2. Passing through the point 0, 2, making an angle. Making an angle 2 pi by 3 with the positive axis. With the positive direction of x-axis, I just wrote short. Find the equation of line parallel to it. After that, what is the addition question? Find the equation of line parallel to it. Okay, we have to write the equation of the line which is parallel to it and crossing the y-axis. And crossing the y-axis. And crossing the y-axis at a distance of 2 units. at a distance of 2 units below origin, below the origin. So this is exactly the question we have taken. So now what we are going to do, we'll shift the question one side so that we can solve the question. Now this is the question to you. So now what is the question given to you? One time I'm reading the question so that you can understand the question first. So the most important thing here in the question is find the equation of the line passing through the point 0, comma 2. So one line is there. Roughly we are going to draw this. Ayyo, Mansi, what you are doing? I'm just talking to some other person. Now look here. Find the equation of the line passing through the point 0, comma 2. So the line is passing through the point 0, comma 2. Okay. Then making an angle 2 pi by 3. Making an angle 2 pi by 3 with the positive axis. So first you have to find the equation of this line. Done. So let's start. First we'll find equation of line L. Point is given, angle is given. So what is the formula? We know that y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to slope m. So y minus y1, first we are finding equation of line L. Nishika understood? First we are finding what? Equation of line L. Okay. So y minus y1. What is y1 here? Y1 is 2. X minus 0 is equal to tan 2 pi by 3, because here m is equal to slope is equal to tan theta. Slope part is coming equal to tan theta. You do one thing, Gopika. You do only one work, beta. You just send me the question in WhatsApp. I'm going to clear it. Once the class is over, just have some patience. I'm going to solve the question. Okay, just send me. Just send me the question doubts. Circle chapter doubt is there now. You send me, I will solve. Trust me. After this class, I'm going to solve your doubt. Relax out. Solve. I'm coming. Now look here. So y minus 2 by x is equal to tan pi minus pi by 3. So 180 minus theta will come. Y minus 2 by x is equal to 180 minus theta is which quadrant, beta? Second quadrant. Second quadrant is 180 part. Wherever you wish, you send me, Gopika. Now look at 180, so it will become minus tan pi by 3, tan 60 degree. So it is y minus 2 by x is equal to minus root 3. Tan 60 degree value is minus root 3. So equation of line will become y minus 2 is equal to root 3x. Y minus 2 is equal to root 3. Y minus root 3. This part you got the equation. This is the equation of this line. So what is the equation of the line, Payaja? The equation of the line is coming as, the equation of the line is coming here as this part. So here root 3x minus y plus 2 equal to 0. This is equation of line L1. We got equation of line L1 as this. Not big work we have done, just we have solved. The equation of line is coming like this much. The equation of line is coming this much, done. Now what we have to do is find the equation of a line parallel to it. So, and crossing y-axis at a distance of 2 units below the origin. So one more line is there. Nishika, you are understanding? So one more line is there which is parallel to this line L. So let the line be L1. Let the line be L1. Now this is exactly intersecting the point 0, comma minus 2. Done. And one most important thing is that this line is parallel to this line first thing. Second is कि this is passing after distance of 2 unit from below section over. Now you need to understand one thing here is कि when you have done till here this part, please pay attention. Payoja understood, Kishore understood, check this one out beta. So when you have done till here, you see this line, whatever slope is coming, we know na line equation is what, y is equal to, this is there, we can use y is equal to root 3x plus 2. This is coming y is equal to mx plus c. What is m? M is coming as root 3. So what is the slope of line? What is the slope? What is the slope of line beta? What is the slope of line L? Slope of line L is, slope of line L is root 3. Understood? What is the slope of line L? Root 3. And since L is parallel to L1, therefore slope of line L1 will also come as root 3, because whatever will be the slope, whatever will be the slope of line L, same will be the slope of line L1. Understood? Because they both are parallel. That's it. That's the end of the part. Why? Because now you can only solve the question. Good evening, Parak. So now look at what we are going to write. Y minus y1 by x minus x1, and what is the slope this time? M1, and M1 is also coming as root 3. So M1 is equal to root 3 because both the lines are parallel. So slope of line L1 is also coming as root 3. So just now substitute the value y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to M1. This is equation of line L1. So that direct equation we are, because we are going to get which class beta. So here this is coming y minus y1. What is your y1? Minus 2 by x minus 0 equal to root 3. So y plus 2 is equal to root 3x. So root 3x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. That's it. Root 3x minus 1 minus y minus 2 equal to 0. This will become the equation of line. So if you will check this one very nicely with what I did, this line was given to me. They have given me the angle and they have given me the point. So I use the formula y minus y1 by x minus x1 is equal to m slope equation I have used. And once I have used that part, I got equation of this line. And from that equation of line, I found the slope. The slope came here is root under 3. Directly we can find the slope of this. Okay. So here the slope is coming as root under 3. Here also slope is coming as root under 3. With the help of this, we will get the equation of line. That was the only concept we can use and solve the question. So like this questions means I have explained everything. I didn't left a single point here. So next NCRT questions, because most of the NCRT questions I have touched. I didn't left a single question. Intercept format also I have discussed. I didn't left the intercept format also. Now one question I am giving you. Everyone please try this question. Question is, find the equation of the line passing through. Nishika, right? Find the equation of the line. You need to find the equation of the line passing through find the equation of the line passing through minus 3 comma 5, okay, minus 3 comma 5 and perpendicular to the line and perpendicular to the line and perpendicular to the line through the points through the points 2 comma 5 and minus 3 comma 6. So now how we are going to attempt this question? Please kindly pay attention for this question and try and understand this question. See, Find the equation of the line. Find the equation of the line. Check this one. Find the equation of a line passing through the point this. Find the equation of the line passing through the point this. So one line is there. Find the equation of the line passing through the point this. So one line is there. This is passing through the point minus 3 comma 5. Done. So this line is passing through, line L1 is passing through this point, and this line L1 is perpendicular to another line L2, which is having points 2 comma minus 5 and minus 3 comma 6. They're asking equation of line L1. They're asking equation of line L1. We have to find equation of line L1. What we have to find here? We have to find equation of line L1. But beta, here one thing is there, we need to find slope of it. Once we are knowing the slope means we will be able to find it. Okay. So once slope is known means we will be able to find the question. So one small work we have to do, and that small work is, first we will find the slope of line L2. So slope of line L2. How to find slope of line L2? This is x1, y1, and this is x2 and y2. So slope of line L2 is, we'll take m2. Let the slope of line L2 is m2 and slope of line L1 is m1. So here slope of line L2 can be written as what beta? Slope of line L2 will be written as, I have taken is m2. It will be y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the most important formula for finding the slope. So now here 6 minus 5. So it will become 6 minus 5. I am finding the slope of line L2, M2, and then minus 3 minus 2. How much it is coming? 1 by minus 5. How much you are getting? Slope of line M2 is minus 1 by 5. So since L1 is perpendicular to L2, the product of their slope will be equal to minus 1. So M2 value is coming as what? M2 value is coming as minus 1 by 5. Okay. Minus 1 by 5 equal to minus 1. So m1 will become what? Minus minus cancel. It will come as 5. So what is the slope of line? Here slope of line L1 is 5. Bingo. Now to no one can stop us. Directly we will write the equation. So equation of line L1. Equation of line L1 is equal to y minus 5 by x minus of minus 3, because this point is there now, so this one will become x1 and y1 for this new case. So here Gagan, time check, punch you, I was waiting, equal to 5. So slope is coming as 5. I told 40 minutes class. I told 40 minutes class, but you were not there. Now y minus 5 by x plus 3 equal to 5. Solve it. So y minus 5 is equal to 5x plus 15. So 5x minus y plus 15 plus 5 equal to 0. So 5x minus 5 plus 20 equal to 0. This will become the equation. Telling me to check time. First you say you are late. You are late here. 5x minus y plus 20 equal to 0. This will become the equation of line. 100%. This will exactly be the equation of line. The equation of line is coming as 5x minus y plus 20 equal to 0. I promised 40 minutes class. See, 40 minutes is going to be over. On an average, how much questions we have? I am not going to disturb you children, but definitely the class timing, I just wished you to solve. 46 minutes over. Hey, there's only 40 minutes. You go live class and check. Timing is written there. Live class 40 minutes over or 46 minutes over? I'm getting it's 40 minutes 35. Yes. Okay. Yeah, it's like 40 minutes is over. As promised, I have given 40 minutes class. Tomorrow again special class I am going to keep for 40 minutes. Every night I am going to keep special class for 40 minutes for grade 11. Wait. Okay, beta. Bye. Good night.